Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. In today's computer class, we will revise chapter 1, Computer My Friend. Okay? So in this chapter, we are going to discuss about that what is computer and how it is our friend. Okay? So, first of all, I would like to tell you that a computer is very popular machine. Okay, it's very useful for us. We can do different types of works on computer, either for our entertainment or for study purpose, for office purpose, and there are many things that we can do on a computer system. Okay, and I hope that you all have seen computers around you somewhere means maybe in shops, mall, okay, restaurants, or rail railway station, airport, hospitals. There are many places, schools, banks. There are many places where computers are very important part, and people do different things on a computer system. And especially at home, we use computer for our entertainment purpose and for working purpose. Nowadays we all are using it for studying also. Students are taking online classes from computers and laptops. So computer, it is an electronic machine. Okay, and we can do different things using computer. You can play games on computer, you can watch movies and cartoons on a computer. And if you have ever gone to playstations, so there also computers are used for playing games. At your homes you can play games on mobile phones. I know that you all love to play games on mobile phones, and you can also play games on computer or TV. Okay, so computer is very useful for us, like in shopping malls. It is used for making bills, for keeping records of items, and for keeping records of all the persons, you know and in schools we use computer for making results of students, for storing information about students, teachers, and all the stuff. So it's very useful for us, and it is also used in offices for office work like making letters, sending emails. So because it helps us in different ways. And what a friend does, a friend helps us in everything. We play with our friends, so you can play with computer also. You share information with your friends, so you can store information in computer also. And your friends help you to study, so a computer does. Okay, so it's very useful for us. In your book a picture of computer is given. Those who have purchased book later, they can draw this picture. And in activity section, 2 questions are there. Paste the picture of different computers in the boxes given below. So you can paste a picture of laptop, or you can paste a picture of desktop computer. And if you are not having printer at your home, it's not possible to paste the picture, so you can write the name of computers also. You can, in first one you can write laptop computer, and in second one you can write desktop computer. So in first one you can write laptop computers, and in second one you can write desktop computers. Okay, and in second one, paste the picture of any 2 places where you have seen computer. Okay, जहाँ आपने computer देखा है. Okay, so if it is not possible to paste the picture, then just write the name only. You have seen computers in schools, and and banks. Okay, so in this chapter we have that much only. So you need to understand where do we use computer, okay, and where you have seen a computer. Okay, so revise this chapter. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.